What is up, guys? We have this ice shaker bottle here, and this is a nice change for me. I'm actually used to using the shake sphere over here, but I dropped it and I broke the cap lid to it recently, so I figured I'd try something new, and I'm pretty happy about this here. First thing is the design of this. You can see it's a straightforward design at the bottom. You see that? So it will fit in a standard cup holder, which is great. This one over here, over the years, did not fit in a cup holder, which made it pretty annoying to carry around. Not only that, it's got this sort of silicone grip. So when you place this down, it doesn't really slide. So that's great. Right here at the top, you got a handle on the lid to carry it around. So that's an easier way to hold it. You open this up right here, and that's where you drink out of. Great. One thing that's kind of, I don't want to say cheap feeling, is that the top of this is plastic over here. Compared to my other bottles, it was steel. So this is plastic, so you have to kind of get used to the plastic. And when you clean this and you're drying it out, it's hard to reach the insides of this. So you have to let it dry out longer, and you also have to keep moving it to the side if you want it completely dried. If you hold it in one place, one side of it will still be dried. You have to put it in the other direction and dry it that way as well. So keep that in mind. But inside, steel. It'll hold hot and cold up to about 600 milliliters. But it does work. So let's go ahead and use this. I've got some pre-workout right here. It's kind of middle of the afternoon. I don't need too much, but let's go ahead and use that. You can see I've got the powder right there. So I'm going to fill this up here. So now you can see it's inside right there. And all you really have to do is put the cap back on top. Like so. And one thing about this is this part right here moves. You see that? The little kind of gasket on it. So you want to twist it and make sure you're holding on to it, because, you know, when you're closing it, you can move this instead and it might not be on there tight. So keep that in mind. Here's the lid right here. Closes up and you just shake it up. So I'm going to go ahead and shake it up now. And just like that, open this back up. You can see it got stirred up in there. So it does work. I don't have a shaker ball or anything, just this up here. So that's great.
We hope this review helps.